Writing is an integral part of our learning process. When we were kids, we first learned about it in kindergarten. Then, we learned how to write words. These words accumulate until we can finally write sentences. As we grow old, our writing skills improve too. As soon as we reached high school, we learned something that greatly alleviates our struggles as students. We learned the art of copying and pasting. Of course, I think that we all have an idea on how to do it. It can be done with just a few clicks. Doing it will not take 10 seconds to fulfill. For some computer enthusiasts, copying and pasting are already part of their natural reflexes. Now, I want to share with you a secret. You can actually earn and make money just by performing this action. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The primary website that we will be using is called Captira.com. This platform is an intermediary platform between tech users and sellers. It includes many services in the software industry. As you can read on their homepage, they help people find the right software for their business. It can help you compare options and read reviews about certain softwares. The site is actually made for business owners and entrepreneurs who want to incorporate softwares on their business brands. You might be thinking about how you can earn money from this. Well, your role is to leave a review on softwares from their page. Since it is a platform that offers a wide array of reviews, you will join them on reviewing the purchased softwares. You just need to share your thoughts about a certain product and you will get paid for doing so. Try to look at the upper left corner of the page. You will see a text that indicates software category. Well, you just need to press it until you get redirected to another page. On this page, you will gain access to hundreds of categories on this platform. You will just need to choose a category that you want to focus on. Make sure that your chosen category is something that will really spark your interests so that you can create good, valid, and enriched reviews. Make sure to stay with me until the end of this video to know a little secret that will help you earn money fast. Do not worry, you will just need to copy and to paste some text on the internet to do it. Now to start our earning process, you should click the Write a Review text on the upper right side of the page. It will redirect you to another page where you can browse various softwares to make a review about. This page also contains the most popular softwares out there that people frequently use. There is a Project Center, Microsoft, SharePoint, Asana, Fiverr, WebEx, Google Workspace, Canvas, Zoom, and etc. You have the freedom to choose what software you would like to create or make a review about. Just scroll down until you see the best software for you. Now, I don't want you to waste your time from scrolling, so I recommend that you find Shopify on this page. To do this, just use the search bar and look for Shopify. After that, the result will show you its software. Just press it and it will lead you to another page where you can write your review about this software. The first thing you need to do is to enter your basic information, such as your first name, last name, and email address. After that, you need to put your job title. Now, just put freelancer on the job title and make the company self-employed. You should follow my recommendations because it will help you get a better chance of being accepted into Captira. When they know that you are a freelancer and you are self employed, they will think that you have sufficient time to try accessing and writing a review about the applications that they have. When you're asked about job industry that you're working in, I recommend that you select computer software because it will give you an edge against other applicants. Again, you need to write a review about softwares. Thus, it will help if they will think that you have a wide background knowledge about computer softwares. After that, you will be asked about the duration of your software usage. You just need to select the option to 6 to 12 months so that you can establish your credibility as a user. You will also be asked about the frequency of your usage. For this part, I encourage you to answer weekly. As for the last question, just tick the box that says, I am a user, with regards to your role in using the software. Unfortunately, that is not the end of the application process. Once you hit the next button, you will be redirected to another page where you need to rate the overall quality, ease of use features and functionality, customer support, value for money, and ease of development of the software. In this part, I urge you to answer 4 out of 5 stars for everything. It will leave a positive feedback for the site. You will also be asked about the pricing and if you will want to recommend the software to other people. Just choose a mid-tier rating for the price while you can go for as high as 10 for the recommendation question. On the last page, you will be asked to write a review. Before you start writing your own review, I want you to go back to its homepage and look up Shopify using the search bar. After that, the page will reload and it will show you the results. Click the Shopify by Shopify and then you will get redirected to another page again. The page will show you a comprehensive review of what Shopify is. Now, try to scroll down until you see the review section. In this part, you will find more than 4,000 reviews about it. Now, I need you to copy some of the reviews from this page and paste this on your own review page. You just need to write the advantages of using the site. You will also be asked to write the cons of using it. Just state some of the things that you do not like about it. After that, you can proceed with writing the overall review that you can think about. Just try to describe the experience that you had while using Shopify. Of course, you will get these reviews from the reviews of others on the page before. However, we could not send it as it is as it will be flagged as plagiarized. What you need to do is to tweak some of the words and change some of the sentence construction to make it sound yours. Just look up some synonyms and try adding some adjectives to change the tone of your review. After you adjusted and customized everything to make it a whole new review, then you are ready for submission. However, do not forget to add a title to your review. You can just write something like, "This is what I think about Shopify." You will also need to answer 2 questions at the bottom of the page. We'll just say no to these questions and you will be done. Now, you just need to submit it by clicking the submit button below the page. That's it. You just need to copy and paste some things to earn money through Captera. It is really easy, right? You can do this over and over again to earn money online. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.